I have been talking to people about enzymes for over 2 decades, and I'm really excited to show you this fun little experiment that I've been doing for many, many years. So we call it the pudding test or pudding demo. And this basically is to represent cooked food versus raw food. Raw food contains enzymes, cooked food doesn't. So you're like, well, why would I even take an enzyme? That's why. As a society, we eat far too much cooked and processed food. So every time you reach for a snack bar, a bag of chips, anything that's cooked, so even something like broccoli that's cooked, brown rice that's cooked, salmon that's cooked, anything like that, you want to be able to take a digestive enzyme with that. And the one that I have been in love with forever is a plant-based digestive enzyme. Let me show you how it works. So right now, let me show you what the pudding looks like if we're not responsible eaters and we're just eating cooked food with no digestive enzymes. I'm gonna stir it up for you and just kind of show you how nasty it is. So this would represent your burrito, your pizza, your steak, whatever it is you're eating. Big, thick, clumpy. You don't want that stuck in your body. You want to process your food. This is all about processing your food, getting the maximum amount of nutrients out of the food that you're eating. So let me just put the enzymes in. I'm gonna use 2 today just to get this to go faster, but you really only need 1. They're vegetarian capsules, so they're all veggie based. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm just stirring it in here. So no difference. So I am mimicking the stomach's peristalsis action. So as you're eating, that wave-like motion. So I'm just mimicking that, mixing the enzymes in. The way you would take it is you would actually just take one of those small enzymes at the beginning of your meal to help you break down that food you're eating. So you're gonna watch something pretty exciting because it's gonna liquefy it. But I want you to understand that it's not just liquefying it, it's actually changing the structure. So all of your macronutrients, your proteins, your carbs, your fats are turning into a molecule that the body recognizes. So your proteins are turning into amino acids. That's what you need to build your muscle and feed your brain. So the proteins are gonna break down to amino acids. Your fats are gonna break down to fatty acids, which are needed to build a nice phospholipid layer around your cells, around your red blood cells, and strengthen them. That's really, really important, to break your fats all the way down to its most usable form, so it doesn't become excess fat on your body. And then all of your carbohydrates are gonna break down with amylase. Each enzyme is specific to the substrate that you're bringing in. So I want you to just see, as I've been chit-chatting, explaining it to you, it's already processing. I have a little cup here to just show you. So it's making it like this. So now that big, heavy burrito that made you feel bloated, your stomach's extended, you shouldn't feel like that. You should feel lighter, less bloated. You should be able to run around. And the key here is that they're plant-based enzymes. They work in a broad pH range, and you want a multitude of them. So this is a full spectrum blend of enzymes that's going to break down every little thing you eat, whether it's sugars, carbs, fats, proteins, to its most usable form in the body, so you can actually get energy and feed your cells. So it's feeding your cells at the cellular level. This particular product is called Flow, and this is going to help you digest your food better and get more energy. And once again, is a plant-based digestive enzyme from Culture for Good. Thank you so much.